back to another video. Today I'm going to be finishing off the angrykid700 reaction because, as some people know, that wasn't the full video, but I just want to finish it off for you guys to enjoy.
Hey guys, welcome
Someone's
back.
there.
Oh, you fucking cunt!
Right, so this video starts off with some fatso running down the street with a clown laughing beside him. I don't get this kid on the side, he's just some randomer, I guess, some irrelevant kid on the side of the screen. But yeah, I don't see why it starts the video off with some fat kid running down the street like he's running after the ice cream van that's just left him behind.
Anyways, see you when I'm actually doing the three-step thing. I'm fucking genuinely champion.
Jesus Christ, did you run that far? Have you literally run a marathon? I mean, I think you need to sit down.
I'm not doing any more dead. This shit hurts.
Literally look how he runs across and skips across those speed bumps. Sorry, I didn't understand that. I think I'm gonna find some music that actually suits this, because this is just really annoying me right now, how bad this is.
What do you want to say to that?
Get pranked, bro.
Uh-huh.
Pranking.
Hats off to this geezer. He's the prank king, guys. Don't mess with this guy right here, or you're gonna get pranked. You wanna hear what the prank was? You ready for this? You sure you're ready? Are you ready? Are you sure you're ready? Are you ready? Are you really sure you're ready? He knocked on a door and ran.
That cat scared the shit out of me.
If the police are fucking coming, I'm going.
Not gonna lie, yeah. On the left, we have some sort of donkey. In the middle, we have just a block. And on the end, we have a tic-tac. To be honest, in these sort of videos, all I picture is this.
Fortnite.
Porn! Porn!
Together, but I was led astray. The day you walked away, you were the clock that was ticking in my heart. Changed my state of mind. When love's so hard to find.
So guys, this is going to be the end of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to comment down below if you want me to do another one, and hope you enjoyed. See you.